Okay guys, so our walnuts are ready to go and we are just chopping up our salad pieces for today. First off, I have all of my kale all nice and chopped up, and you can leave them big pieces, small pieces, however you want to do. You can add a spring mix to this, you can do all kinds of things, but I'm going to leave it that way. The sweetness of the kale will help with the bitterness, and also a lot of the things that we're going to be using today are going to help with the bitterness of the salad. So not to worry about your pieces of apple. I am going to keep the pills on, and I am going to use Gala apples because those are the ones that I like because they're sweet. They work good for a lot of things actually. So I'm probably going to use about 4 apples and 1 apple to eat, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Depends on my stomach. So we got that ready to go. Like that. Okay, so I have only a limited amount of working space. So what I am going to do is put my apples on here. That's ready to go. If you want your apples to stay nice and crunchy, and you want your your pecans to stay nice and crunchy, I would take a separate container for your almonds or your pecans, sorry. Keep forgetting what they are. And that is what you're going to need to do to keep these guys nice and yummy. If you want, you can put other things on here, like cherries in there, you know, all kinds of things. I'm just doing apples today because that's what I have on tap. You could put dry craisins in here because it is that time too. I do want to do, though, pomegranate. I did say I was going to do a pomegranate. Pomegranates are kind of complicated in some cases for people. I like to do a little box on the top like this, and then peel things back to see where everything is at as far as the pomegranates go, like the lines and stuff, because you can just peel them back like this and they'll peel right out. Or you can get the already made, already taken out, but those are kind of bitter. I don't like them. I try to eat them. They do not taste very good. These are the best ones that you can ever eat because they're fresh. So I'm going to put some pomegranates on my salad too. They do make your hands messy, like red, from eating pomegranates. Sometimes I'm like, I'm sorry, my hands are red because it's the season for pomegranates. I love pomegranates. I could eat these all the time. And you can get a lot more out of this. By doing this method. I mean, all of it's out. I mean, that's pretty good. And this is out of just one pomegranate. This is out of one pomegranate, which is a lot. So if you have the time, I would take the time and just, you know, do that. And then fold it up like this. And I'm going to add it to this one. Doesn't it look like Christmas? Kind of does. Kind of like fall, Christmassy. So I'll probably end up doing 2 of them because, oh my Lord. I just like pomegranates. But I put a pound on there. A ton. And then just cut them up into little chunks here. We're gonna put the chunks into the salad. Does that look gorgeous? Okay, just making sure all of it's gone. But it's about a half a lemon per salad is usually what I put on there. And this will last you, today's Sunday, so it will last you until Thursday. It might even last you till Friday, okay? Okay, so you guys get the gist of everything about that part of stuff. So I do have 2 more salads to make. which I do want to get to those real fast, so I'm going to do those real fast. And then what we'll do is we'll turn the, put this in half. We'll turn the, well, I don't know if you guys want to watch me do this for 2 more salads, but I am going to do another pomegranate. Maybe I should do another pomegranate just so that you guys know the easiest way that I have found. To cut this up. Cut it up, cut it up. I'm just doing 1 more pomegranate, okay? And it should be enough to split between the 2. So 1 apple per, that one's bad. This one's good. Cut them into pieces. Cut them. We're going to cut them into pieces. Oh no. Cut them into pieces. Okay. Where is my... do the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to mess up my hand. Okay. Cut them into pieces. We're going to make a square. A square? Yes, we're going to make a square. Take the top off. You can follow down the vein too. That works too. If you can see the top, you can follow down the veins, so you don't cut into your pomegranates. Got to have some colour in my life. Got to have some colour. Lovely colour. Oh dear. Okay, there's just a little bit left. I wonder if I could just eat this. I want to just eat it. Maybe my stomach could handle it before bed. What do you think? I don't know. We'll figure it out, huh? Okay, so I'm going to eat the rest of these. Perfection. Okay, so now that you have everything figured out, and of course I'm putting the lemon on. Which will give us a little bit of sweetness during this time. change it out. Change it out. There we go. All right, it's fixed. That's all fixed. Okay, so now we have our blender here. To our blender, we are going to add some honey. Yes, I know, just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. And we're going to add our white balsamic vinegar. If you can, take the little toppy thing out. I'm going to use the whole entire bottle. There we go. I'm going to make a lot. I am going to use a lemon. Which I have it in there almost all the way in there. Almost all the way in there. We got some more lemon. All right, we're gonna do 1.5 because that's what I have left over. I thought I put everything in here already. I don't know. And we're going to put lots of pepper in there. And we're going to put some salt in there. Hang on. I gotta rinse off my hands from all the lemon. Okay, here we go. About a cup of olive oil. We're going to put some salt in there. Salt. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of red wine vinegar for kicks and giggles. Get a little bit of a sour taste in there. To match the sour acidically, just about a tablespoon. And I'm just using the fancy one in the fancy bottle. Okay. And I'm going to put a smidge of garlic. I know it sounds funny, but it does taste kind of good if you do a little bit. Where is my blender pot? There we go. Put this, add a spin. let's taste it and make sure it's up to our par. It's gonna look pretty. That's what it's supposed to look like. Hold on. That's what it's supposed to look like. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfecto. All right. So come over here. Whoop. Turn your little thingy madooger. I'm going to put this in here. Then I'm going to put the rest into a mason jar. Mason jar for later, for when I want to fill it up per time that I use it. This is my dressing. Okay, and then I have pieces of chicken here that I did, and you can pre-cut these if you want to. Like this. To little pieces. And this whole chicken breast is one thing for the it's one meal, whatever you want to say. Might have to give another bag. So just keep cutting. Okay. And one more. Brought a bag. That part. One more. Where's my bag? And then I have 2 more breasts if I want to make another salad for the nighttime. And then the other thing that you can do is put your sugared pecans in the bag. And you got your sugared pecans to go on top. If you want to watch that video, I did a separate video for my sugared pecans. This you can use on all salads because they do have salad toppers, but I have found these sugar pecans before at the store, but mine has monk fruit on it instead of regular sugar, so less issues with diabetic stuff. So that's why I'm using sugar pecans. Which is awesome. And there's 4 of those. It's all ready to go. Now everything just needs to go into the refrigerator. I have my stack pile right here with all of my stuff and it's ready to go. So I will show you a picture at the end of the video with all of it in there, with the salad and everything the way that it looks like as it is put together. These are good. So if you guys want to watch the video about the sugared pecans, they are in my video selection. I will attach it to this video. It will either probably come before I do my salad instead of after. That way you guys have these 2 videos linked together so you can make the whole salad. So it's just kind of a quick and easy fall flavors put together. Lovely things. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys inspired to do something wonderful in your life and inspire other people to do something wonderful in theirs. And I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing to the videos. Please hit some thumbs up and subscribe to the videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Don't work too hard, but I know you will. I like those.